pulled up to Rickenbacker Marina. This is the marina that I'll be working at today. There's some private big boats right over there, and today I'll be the third stew on a 95-foot azimuth. I believe it's an azimuth. It's a 2008. It's a little bit older, but they have a really nice modern refit on the inside. The boat is gorgeous. It's a private boat, so we'll be taking out the father and his son, and then the son's caretakers. They go out every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. This is my second time on this boat, so I kind of know my way around, but I'm still learning. Okay, just arrived to the boat. Looks good. The mate picked me up in my car, and then we walked over. Okay, my responsibility is to set up the bar, so I'm gonna set everything up. Last time they drink a lot of Malibu, Tito's, and I think it was one of these whiskeys, so I'm gonna put those in the front, and then put something down so that if we hit a wave, nothing happens, and then just set up the ice and cut some limes, everything like that. Coffee and dark chocolate in my car, but I just went to go get it. I didn't want it to melt. I'm not necessarily gonna eat it, but here's the marina. It looks like there's a lot of small boats, but right at the end is the big boats. You can kind of see. So this is a private boat, and private boats kind of make their own rules. Typically for like a charter yacht, the captain would tell you to show up like an hour to 45 minutes early. But for this boat, there's a lot of prep that's involved, and when they show up, when the guests show up, they expect charcuterie boards, fruit platters, everything set up, vacuumed, the bar's fully set up. Not that the charter guests don't expect that, but they're the ones bringing the food, so when they show up and they ask you to make a charcuterie board, it's okay that they're already there because they're the ones that brought the food. But for the private boats, we get the groceries ahead of time, and then we make the stuff before they show up. So I had to show up at 11, and the guests won't be here till like 1:30 or 2. So I have a lot of downtime, so I was able to go get my coffee. The second stew who picked up the groceries is running late, so I'm literally just waiting on her, doing some vacuuming and other setup. Just kind of doing whatever the chief stew tells me to do. The chief stew is super cool, super nice, super easygoing. She'll just be like, do this, and I'll go do it. There's not much direction, there's not micromanagement, which is really good. Makes it easy to work for her. Alright, gonna make a charcuterie board. Got some meat, bacon cheese, bunch of stuff. It's gonna come out great.